Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Anzalna. I'm an architect, and recently I got in touch with an aura healer. He's much more than that, but Ijaz Sahab is someone who um, listens to you with utmost gentleness and genuineness, and he's an extremely selfless man. So, after getting in touch with him, I realized the importance of aura, how it shapes your life, how it affects your life, not only your life, but everybody around you, and how you can achieve all your dreams just by repairing your aura. So, anyone who is suffering through anxiety disorder or emotional trauma or emotional blockage or evil eye, get in touch with him and try to understand what aura is and how it affects your life. And Ijaz Saab is the best person for it. So get in touch with him and heal your aura.